Lyra, and today we are here at our kitchen because I will be attempting to make Flaming Hot Cheetos ice cream. I know it sounds weird. Everybody was weirded out, but I saw this video of Sophia Nigard and Tyler Williams trying out Flaming Hot Cheetos ice cream somewhere in LA, and I got so curious of what it would taste like. And I really wanted to try it out, but obviously I'm not in LA and there's no way for me to get to LA right now. So I'm going to try to make it myself. The ingredients are simple. You just need all-purpose cream. Make sure that you chilled it in the fridge for a couple of hours because you need it to be like a mushy consistency and not soupy. Condensed milk. I have this big pack, but I'm just going to need like 1/8 cup of this. And then obviously, Flaming Hot Cheetos. So I'm just gonna make a little batch, and if it turns out great, then I'll make another. So I'll just check how much this actually is, because I don't want to get the proportions wrong. Okay, so that's about 3/4 cup of all-purpose cream. Okay, so we're going to whip this. Okay, so it should look kind of like this. Okay, so we're done with that. Then we're going to get 1/8 cup of condensed milk. Okay, that was wrong. I should knock up the whisks in the sink because I'm gonna need it for this part. So we're gonna whip this thing again with the condensed milk in there. So now that the condensed milk has been incorporated, we're going to get our Cheetos and we're going to crush them up. I think I'm going to do like a handful, I guess. Wait, this much. Okay, so here are our crushed Flaming Hot Cheetos. Side note, you should have done this before you start anything else, because if you've already crushed your Cheetos, you're just gonna have to dump them once you're done with your cream and your condensed milk. So anyway, I made that mistake, and now I'm going to dump it right in the mixture, and then we're gonna whip it again. It looks like strawberry ice cream at this point. I'm gonna try to taste it first and see if I need some extra sugar for this or whatever. There's definitely some heat in there, but I'm gonna add more condensed milk. Another 1/8 cup. That's definitely better. Okay, so now that we've mixed everything, I can finally officially dump this in the sink. And then we're going to transfer this whole thing in a name brand Tupperware. What is it called if it's not Tupperware though? I keep forgetting. We're going to transfer it in the container. We're going to put it in the container, and then we're going to put it in the freezer to chill for a couple of hours. We're going to put this in the freezer. Okay, so we'll let that chill for a couple of hours. So I guess I'm going to check back on it in 5 hours because it's like a really small batch. When I get back, my ice cream will be ready for tasting, and I will let my mom and my brother try it out. So it has been 5 hours and my ice cream has completely set. Looks like strawberry ice cream. So we're gonna taste this now. I can definitely feel the bits. It's really creamy, sweet, and then there's the spice. The spice, like, you just feel the spice like after a few seconds. of it in your mouth. But it's really good. I really like it. I think I'm gonna keep eating this. Now let's get other people to try it. Okay, so the verdict for this ice cream is I think this was a success because I really liked it. My mom liked it. She thinks it's really creamy and like and you just feel like the heat after a few seconds. And, like it's really enjoyable. It's an enjoyable experience. But my brother kept going ugh, ugh, the whole time. So that was funny. I think this is good. I think you should try this. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. See you again next time. Bye!